Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Whether you've activated this feature for business purposes, or simply want to switch back to the standard profile experience, this step-by-step process will help you make the change effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's launched, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Next, look for the three dots located next to your profile picture. These dots represent the menu for additional options. Tap on them, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Turn Professional Mode Off. Tap on it, and Facebook will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision. At this stage, Facebook may provide some information about what changes will occur once professional mode is turned off. Take a moment to review these details, as they'll explain how your profile will transition back to its standard settings. For example, features like audience insights and monetization tools will no longer be available. When you're ready to proceed, tap Continue, and then select Turn Off on the final confirmation page. Facebook will process your request, and professional mode will be disabled. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that professional mode has been successfully turned off. Tap Close, and you're all set. Your profile is now back to its regular mode, and that's it. You've successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook in just a few simple steps. If you ever decide to re-enable this feature in the future, you can follow similar steps to turn it back on. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.